second one killed him.
Wombo.
Super wombo. Oh, those guys are on the other team this time.
They're made. They're on our team?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it Ryan time? Oh, we got Korean Gangu. Oh, there's no one to shoot through my shield though. Should I go Zarya?
We're on Hollywood.
Ano doesn't really have a boost target on this one. I guess kind
Yeah,
of
maybe
How's everybody's day
Zarya.
go?
You're better.
chilling. Since I don't have anyone to shoot through the shield, I'm gonna go Zarya.
Together we are strong.
Zenny in this case would be better than Ana. I guess she can nano boost her.
All systems checked out.
Well, we just
Ready
played
for
with that
combat
3-stack,
maneuvers.
and Vizroki or whatever is gonna play Ryan. Ian's gonna be DPS, and I don't know what. I think I Make You Shiver was playing Ana. But that's not really that useful. Everyone knows they're gonna have Ryan and Ana.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thought I was being more helpful than I was until I realized what I said.
All good.
Get into trouble,
Oh,
I bail you out.
he's going Macri. Oh no, he's not. Look at that popcorn. Boom. Reaper now.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
They have a Roadhog.
Sure.
Red people.
You can try and burst down that shield.
I'm gonna need to go Ryan for the road.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna switch to Ryan. I'm gonna need a Ryan for that Roadhog.
Careful. Okay, pick.
Oh shit, that was scary. My game minimized.
Ana's not healing me. It's not a good sign.
Shit, barrier down.
They're both sitting all the way in the back.
Shield me, shield me. Oh.
Gotta try to shield.
Fall back.
Get in there.
Oh, never mind. Go in.
That was a waste. You can't do anything against 6 of them.
I might have saved their positioning.
Yeah, true. Let's focus that Mercy. She's gonna have res. Oh my goodness.
Ryan is very
Careful,
low.
the Reaper's coming behind you.
I think it's alright.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. We have elements. She can't rest that.
My ultimate is charging.
Game on. My ultimate is charging.
I have my ult. I'm gonna try and go behind them real quick. So just be ready. I do. I'll let you know. I'm flying over now.
Okay. I got hammered down. Alright. That guy wasted his ult. I don't know why I did that.
Who did?
Ryan's dying.
Our,
That's
Laura.
fine. We have 3 ults. So
Oh yeah. That was bad. He's got hooked by road.
Yeah. Alright, let's make this happen.
Soldier would be good.
Yeah, we need more damage.
I'm gonna open with my ult. Fuck it.
Oh!
good job, good
That was a
job.
Nice.
5k.
Yeah, that was fucking nutty.
Sometimes you just gotta
Good
go
take.
for the big play.
Very good.
Yeah, it helped that I Earth Shatter right there. Counted as
Oh, did
4K
you?
for me, yeah.
Nice.
We
That's
accidentally
wombo.
super in sync. Yeah, it was mega wombo.
Escort the
Alright, we need some of you guys on point here.
Seize the payload safely.
At least 3 people on point. That's the max speed you can go.
Yep. Shields down.
Right, Reaper on the right.
Roger. Their shield's
shield
down, by
down.
the way.
Got this McCree?
Wow! Seriously.
What happened?
Rolled through everyone and killed my mech. Pissed me off. Didn't get that.
Reaper's above us.
I'll go for him.
Okay, don't let him jump down and all. I think he wants it.
He's off the building.
Nice. Got Earth Shatter. Shield down. Gotta charge it.
Coming.
I got it. Yeah, we got her. Slap her up. Nice. Alright, Diva's down. Let's get in here. Miss hammer down.
Oh no.
Nice.
Let's go!
Baited that dude. Good shit. Reaper's still alive. Come back. You need help. There's a Diva behind you.
Oh! Should have hide! Oh, my ult, take my mech back. Huge ult ink.
And Ryan's down. Need heals bad.
I'm dead.
Okay, no problem. The Mercy's gonna try to res. Let's keep this rolling, baby. Ah,
Yeah, you
not
can't
happening.
die.
Good job, good job.
Oh!
Good job. Look at you boys on fire.
Surprised they haven't switched to its game yet. Makes me happy.
Yeah, for real. Hey, Reinhardt's feeding. I'm gonna get his ass.
Mercy.
Hold on,
That Mercy
right.
ass. There's any ass.
Good heals, good heals. Good shit, man. I gotta give my shield back. I'm coming.
Followed him.
Got 92 on an ult. Their Reinhardt's got ult.
Hold that.
Look at now.
No power down. Get in there.
60 seconds.
Thank you.
Not my best hammer down, but let me take those.
Oh!
Shit. Oh, watch that Mercy.
Mercy, mercy,
The
mercy.
mercy, get the mercy.
Down.
Good job,
Nice.
good job.
Forgot she didn't have a
Good. Good. Just
Good?
good. Just good.
Very good job.
Score 3-0.
I knew I was a better Ryan than that that gold.
That was the biggest ult in my career.
Yeah, that was a fucking 5k ult.
Select your hero.
You're welcome for the assist.
You got it. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Sweet. I want to see that from your perspective.
XD.
Yeah, he wasn't healing me.
Yeah. Just make sure you're healing more than you're shooting. At least on defense. Use that nade a lot. For both.
Yeah.
This guy's got gold McCree guns. Gold. Yeah, I'm not enough.
Okay. Glad
I
you
think he meant he's not nading enough, or not healing enough.
Yeah, probably nade. Didn't see many nades.
Yeah, you gotta throw that nade often.
Often. Throw that nade often.
I'm gonna try and wall them off whenever you're.
Okay, I'll smash into him. No, wall him to trap one in and I'll smash one.
Okay, sounds good.
Keep them scared, because if they know you don't have wall, they're just gonna run in. But if you wall one in and we get a pick, then they're not coming in.
We shall prove
Feel me?
ourselves in glorious combat.
I got a widow.
Let the snowman.
Fuck.
Yeah, they're gonna come in hard now.
I'm moving off.
Wall. Can you put a wall up? Never mind.
I was jumping off. I'll try the ball. That's my fault. That widow will take
Shit, that widow got the pick.
Coming back.
We probably won't be able to hold. Maybe though.
We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Just kidding.
Sorry.
Our point is under attack.
They have a really squishy comp. Nice.
Sorry, it's on.
Sorry.
You guys got her back there?
Yeah. Got it.
Thank you.
Good dude. Good dude.
That diva.
Stay
Diva
behind my
never
shield.
die.
Don't get killed by Widow. Yeah, Tiva's fucking invincible. I'm gonna get this Ryan.
Oh!
Oh.
Don't be doing that
Sorry.
now.
Yeah, that was probably the best. I'm getting greedy on that Ryan. Here comes Ryan. Smoke his ass.
He's like 2 hits.
Nice.
Good job.
Barrier down.
I have ult.
Lux here, baby. Lux. Thanks, Doug.
Okay, they don't have a widow anymore. Go back on the roof.
There's a McCree right behind you.
By the way, you got better rolls for it.
Oh, they solo ulted me.
Got him. We need him. Fall back.
Yeah.
Need help in front? Nice.
Oh, they're wasting ults.
No mech.
Ryan's behind.
Genji doing work.
Genji's doing it. Watch this Mercy's gonna try to res.
Monitor.
Oh, I need heals bad.
Got her.
Watch that McCree. Flash towards him with shield. Can't nice. I got Wrist Shatter when I'm back.
There's no one Diva can't 1v1.
Yeah, Diva's
Going
has
back
no
up on
counter
the
right now.
Even Zarya.
Yeah, Zarya's no contest anymore. She's got so much more health.
I'm ready to start a blizzard.
They're gonna have some ults.
Oh shit, my mech's down. They're Ryan, dude!
Oh my god, I got hooked.
60 seconds remaining.
The Zarya's on me.
Stay alive, boys. I'm coming with Earth Shatter.
Where are we
They are taking our point.
Yeah?
Lost the mercy.
Okay, that's not great though.
On point.
Zarya's gonna come from behind.
Yeah, Zarya's behind us. Coming in.
I'll be there soon.
Not ideal, but
Fuck, I got one. Still living?
nah, they got me. Their soldier finally realized that was scary, Anthony. Sorry, we still got a lot of points to hold.
Can we contest?
I don't know.
I don't
Might as
think
well.
so. No, honestly, I'd
Uh,
do it. Come back.
Objective
It's alright. Regroup.
Yeah, hold here.
Stop the pain.
Freeze behind us. I mean, Roadhog. This guy's not playing a particularly good May, which is unfortunate.
Roadhog left side. Roadhog coming left side, watch out, Anna behind you.
Gotta
Behind
charge
us left
shield.
side.
Have to charge shield. Shield's going down again.
Roadhog on the right house.
I'll go for it.
Alright, I'm playing bad.
Their shield's almost down. Their shield's down.
And fuck me. Getting outplayed now.
You need to counter that soldier.
Soldier doesn't really have a counter, unfortunately. Just gotta focus him.
Their soldier. Diva.
Yeah, Diva's soldier counter.
I can come in and ult. You have anything?
Yeah, we're on it.
Need help though.
I'm on the way.
Oh, Zarya. Oh, shit, I'm missing her down. Fuck.
He heals.
Soldier behind you guys.
He's behind. Fuck.
He's lit.
What? How did that pin me?
Heroes never die.
Come on, vacuum pin. Baloney. You holding it?
Fuck! And you got me.
It's nearly over. Keep up our defense.
You got this, boys. Fucking A. Fall back, fall back.
It's Ryan's low.
It's okay, there's none of us alive up there. Oh, no, we're trickling now.
We need soldier maybe, I'd say. Our Pharah's not doing shit.
Oh, watch out. They have a chaser.
Shield's going down, I gotta charge it.
Come back, just fall back.
Okay, we got 2K. Let's finish this fight here.
You're overextending kinda.
Yeah, you're right. I wanted to finish that fight though.
We still can. Kill soldier.
Sorry, on your left.
Going around.
Yeah, Zarya's on the left here. Got our Earthshatter ready.
Discorded.
Alright, fall back, boys, fall back.
Got soldier.
Get back to the corner here. Nice.
Chaser behind.
Shouldn't get me.
They're circling now. We can keep getting picks.
My ultimate's charging.
Save your ults.
Yeah, save him.
Burst down that
Break the
shield.
shield.
Break the shield, make an Earthshatter. Oh, Zarya blocked it.
That Reinhardt has
Hold down, save your ults.
I'll try shield here.
Sorry, Discord. They have a Pharaoh? Careful. She's going behind,
You're powered up. Get in there.
Oh shit, got charged.
Sorry, it's
They're
lit.
behind you guys. They're still behind you guys.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry, Discord.
Zarya
Good
down.
job,
Nice, good job.
Good job, guys. Very good.
Made us earn it. We earned it the first round.
Yeah, it's true. We just took it from them the first round.
Yeah. I gotta see that play. Let's go.
That's
They
gotta be the
almost had
game.
it. They were probably better than us. We just had some big plays.
Yeah.
Collectively.
Yeah,
team was
our
pretty
attack.
shitty.
Yeah, our attack like was just on point.
Oh, it wasn't. We said this play.
Yeah, that's true. After this
Like,
play,
fuck
was-
it.
look at that hammer down.
Can't see it.
Boom!
But no.
So many. And I slapped that diva up. They're all gone. They're pissed, dude.
They are bad. Come on. Come on.
There's only.
Oh.
Oh, you know I got that loot box.
Ooh, that was a lot of experience.
Yeah.
Almost got that loot box. First one of the day.
Yeah, what? What was that? I saw that too. It's just about to be like, first win? We've been winning all day. We haven't lost a game yet. Let's see how much SR we get from that. Like 78 to 20. It's like 50-ish.
29. I got like 40.
32.
40.